G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here in UK with Derry and he does some amazing things. So I'm going to let him tell you what he does on a Monday to make a difference.
Derry, that's the one, Derry. So on a Monday, kind of what I do every day, which is connect back to the why. I'm always about the why, and I think we make the tactics every single day, whether it's your daily rituals, your morning rituals, meditation, hydration, energy, whatever. But for me, it always begins with the why. So I like to connect every day back to what really matters, what truly matters, why we're making a difference in the first place. So for me, and that's a deep work. It's not simple work. It's not tactical work. So I like doing it on a Monday morning. It's a good place to do it every week. Reconnect back in to the why. And if you're thinking there going, I don't even know my why, then do some work on the why, right? Because it's the why that for me empowers everything. Whether I'm climbing the highest mountains in the world, running 6 marathons across the Sahara, doing an Ironman, all the crazy stuff that I do, and running multiple businesses, which is what we've been talking about today, it always is about the why. And it's going deep onto what that truly means.
Wow. Thank you so much, Derry. And you can find Derry on derry.live.
Derry.live.
Derry.live. Derry.live. So jump on there and have a look at what he's been doing. And if you're into a bit of adventure as well as high performance in your life, you'll know who to call. Speak soon.